Do you still remember the idiom?
食人唔掠骨。
This time I introduce another similar idiom. It is
食人隻車。食人隻車。
You may learn the character
車。
from the previous video, but be noted that it does not pronounce
車
in this idiom, but have to pronounce.
車。
I think the idiom is related to Chinese chess, in which there are two pieces of
車。
its attack power is very strong, so if you lose one of this piece, you will be in a very bad situation. This idiom means someone takes advantage of you or takes something from you. For example,
嗰間餐廳早幾日加咗價，個早餐足足貴咗2成，簡直係食人隻車啊！嗰間餐廳早幾日加咗價，個早餐足足貴咗2成，簡直係食人隻車啊！
in English, it means that restaurant marked up the price few days ago. Breakfast was marked up 20%. It is really taking advantage of the customers. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.